sleeping also. And baby sleeping. She's making a baby noise. Isn't that just the cutest thing? Yes. Don't we love her?